Encountering the 0xc00000e9 error code on Windows 11? Stay tuned for a quick 10-second guide on how to fix it and get your system running smoothly again. Press the Windows plus S key firstly to open the search box and type CMD into it. Now right-click on the most relevant result to run it as an administrator. Type or paste in the following command and press enter. Start your computer after you've completed waiting for the process to complete its completion. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app and click on Update and AMP. Panel followed by Advanced options on the right side. Then click on Optional Updates. Click on the Driver Updates option, then select all the driver updates you are presented, and lastly, click the Download and AMP Install button. If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution. Press the Windows key plus S and type in CMD, then right-click on the most relevant result to run it as administrator. After the command prompt launches, paste in the following command and press enter. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.